Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Irfan, and with my team Amma, Shafiq, Atika and Ilyas. We are from group 2 of electronic engineering students. We are going to make a project on electronic bin which can detect weight and then display the weight, and also make a payment which is using RFID. For this project to be successful, we divided into 4 steps, and this current stage I've been working on weighing platform, which is will be using load cell, which is this one, to detect the weight of an item and then display it on the LCD. So this is the step on how it will be operating. Okay, let's see here. LCD display instruction to calibrate, which is will display the instruction. To calibrate, we need to put 100 gram, and then you need to wait for a few seconds for the calibration, and then put your item, and then the system will determine its weight and then display the value on the LCD. This is the schematic. Alright, the schematic I got from Circuit Digest website. This is load cell sensor, which will be measuring our weight. Okay, let's say here we will get, okay, and we put something on the load cell. Here we see the reading is increasing. When we take out the, it will be decrease again, but the problem is the reading is unstable. I hope I will be fixing the error, and I hope to get a better result in the future.
In this section, MATLAB Graphical User Interface GUI software is used as an interface between the ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. This simulation will alert and update the current distance of waves from certain level. MATLAB code will send command to Arduino Uno board. Later on, the object distance will be set back to the MATLAB for simulation. To test this simulation, we are using simple ultrasonic sensor circuit. Firstly, the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the Arduino Uno. The coding is then run in Integrated Development Environment IDE Arduino.
Firstly, guide is written in the command window to produce a display layout. This layout will display the current distance of the object from ultrasonic sensor. Next, the display layout generates codes which can be modified based on our preference. During the simulation, there are some errors due to some circumstances. We don't have confirmation on the schematic design's connection between Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. We barely able to modify the codes as we are not very familiar with the new function. So, we have to further study in the programming codes to be able to fix those errors.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. For my part, which is RFID module. So, RFID module is a project that detect the card that is contain a coin. Then it will activate the sensor or an output such as a servo motor. So here I choose a simple experiment which is using a servo motor and a buzzer. So for example, when I have two cards, and one I have programmed in the code, and the other one I don't program in the code. So when I tap at the RC522 FID module, the servo motor will activate only when the card that I have programmed in the coding, and it will process the output, which is the motor and the buzzer. So here this is my schematic which is involved RFID LC522, LCD, buzzer, and motor as an output. So when we tap a cut on the RFID, motor will operate only when the cut is same as we program in the coding. This is the schematic, and this is the code. Phasing don't have the RFID LC522, so I had to import. When I want to compile the assembly language, the coding itself, I find that the library hash that include RFID.hash is not there. So I had tried many ways and search and do some studies, but the problem is not solved. But and that was the only problem that I faced. So this is the hardware which I had run. The LCD doesn't display. I was doing the IoT part. So what is exactly IoT part is I've been using ThinkSpeak platforms for IoT to display my reading on the IoT part. So here it is. I've been doing the designs about the project, and right now my preparation is I'm mainly focused on the ESP module, on how to connect to the Wi-Fi and how to connect to the cloud of the IoT ThinkSpeak. So actually, my design is I was trying to do the storage level, which is I have to indicate what level threshold have been set and for the storage of the bin. And right now for my project, I'm using for DHT11, which is to measure temperature and humidity. This just an optional thing because I just want to try the ESP module. So I've been doing this. The component needed is LCD. Here is LCD, Arduino Uno, ESP, DHT1, and potentiometer. So this is the breadboard, the schematic diagram. So I will do the schematic. So this is the schematic and the connections of the design needed. And this is the PCB, and the code running is this is the code programming. So during the compiling, I've been facing some errors about the libraries because the library Ocker is not valid and available. So I've been download it and upload it to the Arduino IDE, which integrated development environment. So the compiling process is done as success, and I proceed to the next step, which is the uploading. And during the uploading, I also facing some problems, which is the uploading is not success, and I've been referring to the internet about on how to upload success. And during the upload, I disconnect all the components and just upload it naked, just like that, and the uploading is success. And after I reconnect all the components and trying to run the program, and here I look at the serial monitor. So right now I'm not connect my Arduino to the computer. So let's say this serial monitor, when the program is run, all I get is error, which is I think there is some problem happening at the circuit arrangement or the ESP module. So this is it. I think all the circuit on all the design is complete, and the only thing is here is about the ESP module. I still can't figure it out on how to set up the ESP module. Once I get it, I will show it later.